In today's video, we're going to take a look at setting up AMD again. Why? Because we have a general pattern of higher highs and higher lows. We have price above the 200 and price above the 50. And yeah, I mean, that's all we need to know. Then what we need to do is run the projections of the prior swings. So what I'm going to do is take 100% of these prior declines within the uptrend and project them from the recent high. I'm also going to run a swing within the swing. Okay, now this swing projection will come in a lot lower. These look a little bit more similar, high to low. I'm going to project from the high. Okay, and then let's try this one. I think we may be through it, but yeah, we're through it, so forget that one. And we'll try this high to this low, compare those two swings. You're actually slightly through that, but what we do have is symmetry, and we can look to overlap that with some of the other price relationships, starting with retracement. So let's just run the retracement of the prior low to high. You know, and you do have the 618 overlapping this area. Now, I could also use the smaller swing, and that might give us an overlap of 786 in there too. Oh, actually, no, there's another 618. 786 comes in below. So this is the area that I would look at for a possible buy entry, and only if it triggers an entry via, you know, the video that I've shown you before, as far as the moving average crossovers and taking out a prior swing high and all that good stuff. So the zone that you're going to look to place the bet against comes in at 29.19 to 29.97, and if price continues to hold above here, you go down to the lower time frame chart to look for a buy trigger. Okay, if you're going to look for a swing trade, either the 15-minute or the 30-minute chart is what you want to use. If you're going to look at it for a day trade, then you can actually use something like a 2-minute chart and just, you know, look at it for a day trade, see if it fires off a trigger. But I do like this one because we do have price clearly above the 200, the 50, and the 5 and 13 are on the right side. So this is what we actually call a royal setup. Anyway, that's what I have. We'll take a look at it Monday and see if it fires off a buy trigger.